In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Paramount Plus, and it's really just 3 simple steps. But before we get into it, there's one thing you need to know. You're going to need a VPN for this to actually work the way you want it to. And if you don't already have a VPN, you can check the links in the description or just scan the QR codes you'll see on the screen. Those will get you the best discounts for some of my favorite VPNs, so you don't have to go looking around trying to find a decent deal these days. Now, you might be wondering why you even need a VPN for Paramount Plus in the first place. It's basically because streaming services like Paramount Plus have different content available depending on where you are in the world. So maybe you're traveling, or maybe you live somewhere that just doesn't have access to all the shows and movies you want. Without a VPN, you're stuck with whatever your region has. But with one, it makes it look like you're somewhere else entirely, so you can unlock the full library just like that. It's not complicated, it's just about knowing how to do it. So here's how it goes. First thing, you've got to pick your VPN. And there are a few things you'll want to keep in mind while you're deciding. Go with something reliable, because nothing ruins a good binge session faster than your stream suddenly dropping or lagging. You also want it to be fast enough so you're not staring at a buffering screen every few minutes. And of course, having a bunch of server locations is a big plus, because then you can easily switch between countries depending on where the content you want is available. Now, once you've picked one, the next part is really simple. You just sign up, download the app on whatever device you're going to use. Could be your phone, tablet, laptop, whatever. And then set up your account. Usually only takes like maybe a few minutes, and it's pretty straightforward. After that, this is where it all comes together. You open the VPN, choose a country where Paramount Plus has the shows or movies you want to watch, connect to that server, and then just head over to Paramount Plus. And that's it. You should be able to watch like you're actually in that country with zero restrictions getting in your way. Now, if you're looking for some solid VPN options that I know work great for streaming Paramount Plus, I've got a few you can check out. There's Surfshark VPN. It's one of my go-tos, and right now you can get a 60% off plus 3 extra months free. It's great if you want unlimited device connections, so you can cover your whole household with one plan. And then there's NordVPN. It's another solid choice, and they're offering 74% off with 3 free months as well. It's one of the fastest out there, so you'll barely notice you're even using a VPN while streaming. But if you want something super budget friendly, then I think TotalVPN has 80% off. Really pretty hard to beat if you just need a straightforward, affordable option. Now, CyberGhost VPN is also running a deal, 84% off plus 4 free months. It stands out for having one of the biggest server networks, so you'll always find a connection that works for streaming. And if security is a big thing for you, then NortonVPN has a $35 off with the same link or code setup. It ties in with Norton's full security suite, so it's a solid pick if you want extra peace of mind along with streaming. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Just grab a VPN, set it up, connect to the right country, and you're good to go. And again, all those deals are right in the description, or you can just scan the QR codes on screen to grab them easily. Now, I'm curious, once you've got Paramount Plus working wherever you are, what's the first thing you're planning to watch? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm always looking for some new shows or movies to check out.